Most people get this wrong, and assume a prepaid card is broken the moment it gets declined online. Here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the card is fine. The issue is usually a small setup problem, a merchant restriction, or a missing verification step. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix a prepaid card that keeps getting declined online in 2026, step by step, so you can actually use your balance without frustration. Let's start with the most common reason. Prepaid cards often fail because they are not registered with a billing address. Online stores use a system called address verification. If your card does not have a zip code or name attached, the transaction gets rejected instantly. This is where most people fail without realizing it. So the first fix is simple. Go to the back of your prepaid card or the issuer's website and register it. Add your name, address, and zip code exactly as required. Think of someone like John trying to buy something online. Before registration, his card keeps declining. After registering it properly, the same purchase goes through smoothly. Now here's where it gets interesting. The second issue is insufficient balance due to hidden costs. Many prepaid cards get declined because the purchase total includes taxes, shipping, or temporary authorization holds. So even if you have $50, a $50 purchase might fail because the system needs a little extra buffer. Always leave a few dollars unused when checking out. Now let's talk about another big problem. Some websites block prepaid cards completely. Streaming services, ride apps, or subscription platforms often reject them due to fraud protection rules. But here's the problem. The card is not broken. The merchant is just rejecting it. In this case, try using a different website or a smaller transaction first to test the card. Another fix is checking activation status. If your prepaid card was not properly activated at the store, it will not work online at all. Always verify activation using the issuer's website or customer support number. Also make sure you are entering details correctly. Even one wrong digit in the card number or expiration date can cause a decline. So here is the simple breakdown. Most prepaid card declines happen because of missing registration, low balance buffer issues, merchant restrictions, activation problems, or simple entry errors. If you follow these steps, your prepaid card will work in most online situations without trouble. If this helped you, hit like, leave a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple fix guides that actually work in 2026.